Hello traders, welcome to another video from our LTR group. So today we are going to talk about how Bank Nifty and Nifty are going to be behaving and what are the key levels to look out for. So let us quickly understand as to what the market has been doing and how we've been trading so far. So today what has happened here is there were a few things that we looked at early in the morning. So our LTR live trading participants booked easy profits, and I did tell my people that before 17,400 and 17,350 is where the market is going to operate. So this particular chart was already launched there, but now the most important point is how does it look on a daily time frame? On a daily time frame over here, there is a very good point, considering that there might be some gap down or a sell-off that can actually come in tomorrow. Now, why do I say that? Let us go ahead and look at the order flow and understand the structure of Nifty to what it is going to do tomorrow, and so that you can actually have a bit of an idea as to what the entire piece would be for tomorrow. Let me just get this up. Nifty future September. So for the entire day, it was sideways. For the entire day, it was sideways, and there were not much buying that was happening over here. For all the time when it was gapping up, there was a solid buying that used to come in from 215 into the structure of Nifty. But today, this entire thing was flat, and Nifty closed in a short position of minus 20,000 lots. So what is going to happen over here is that if you change this direction to 30 minutes, you will understand, and once you make it to a line, you understand that it is trying to consolidate itself in a range over here right now, and it can break that anytime. So if we go ahead and try to draw a particular trend line over here, so the trend line is already broken towards the downside. Now, if we go ahead and try to understand and pick out a level for tomorrow, then I want to tell you that as soon as Nifty is going to break this particular low that it is having over here of 17,356, then we can easily look for a target near the second low of 17,318. And if we want to extend it a bit, then we can look at even 17,268 as a target. So from here till here, somewhere around 85 points is something that we can actually expect it on an intraday. Now, when are we going to be bullish? Now, I would want to tell you guys, let's be very honest with ourselves. The Nifty has already overextended itself too much right now. So anything above 17,400 is where we are going to be bullish in Nifty. But until then, we are going to look at the shorting opportunities that will be available in this index. Now, let us look at what is Bank Nifty doing. Now, Bank Nifty at this particular point of time is also around the same region. Now, if we go ahead and change this to a daily time frame and understand and see what is happening. So if you would see, it is rejecting the highs over here already. So Bank Nifty has taken a turn, but there is a very important support over here of 36,500 that it has to take out. Now, this support is very, very strong. And the way it would actually work is that if it is not gapping down below this level, it will act as a support and it will start moving on the higher side. So it will then once again make its volatility and it will come back towards the upside to break for the upwards target. But by any chance, if we gap up and if we sustain for 5 minutes, then 36,200 is where you will see. And if we are looking at an extensive pattern, then the targets open even 1,000 points at the bottom. Now, to understand it a bit deeper, let us go ahead and change this to a 30 minutes time frame. So in a 30 minutes time frame, if you go ahead and bring it to a line chart, you can clearly see that the Bank Nifty is trying to create lower highs. Okay, so lower highs means that it is already having some pressure from the top side that it needs to come down. When we look at the order flow and we see there was a massive selling that happened in the last 1 hour of the trading day. So this completely means that this is a kind of a dangerous situation for Bank Nifty, and we cannot go ahead and expect an up side movement. But however, if Bank Nifty breaks tomorrow, the 36,500, the first conservative target would be these 200 points at 36,200. And if it is going to overextend itself, then we are going to look at 35,723. Now, it should come below 36,500 first and then do that. If it is not doing, then it will get volatile inside this range and it will start moving on the upward direction. So until and unless this is above this area, then we are not going to go ahead and have any bullish trades until it is about 37,000. So on that note, I would leave you guys for the day. Thank you so much for your time. Jai Hind, take care. We'll see you on the next fascinating video. I hope my analysis helps you make a lot of money. And if you want to follow us and understand how our live trading is, then please visit www.rltrgroup.com and join us, or there is a link to a Telegram channel that is being listed in the description below, and you can join us and track our progress there. Thank you so much for your time. Have a beautiful day ahead. Take care. Jai Hind. Goodbye.